Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. On a 30 MW plus site, inefficient routing doesn't just waste fuel. It wastes the most expensive asset you have, skilled technician time. That's not just a logistics problem, that's a revenue problem. Every hour your senior technician spends driving in circles is an hour. They're not fixing the fault that's bleeding kilowatt hours. A senior O&M technician costs €45 per hour, including salary, benefits, truck, and equipment. Fuel is €0.60 per liter, but time is €45 per hour. So driving 45 kilometers on a bad route isn't €30 wasted, it's €270 wasted. That's 6 hours times €45 equals €270 per day. Across a week, that's €1,350. Across a fleet of 15 sites with 8 technicians each, that's €162,000 annually just on bad routing. Most weekly maintenance planning happens in someone's head or on a static spreadsheet based on rough geography and habit. The result is crews cross back over the same zones and high-priority faults get visited on day 4 and SLA windows slip. A fault detected Monday morning with critical priority can wait until Thursday because the spreadsheet says Block A first. That is 3 days of 14% power loss. At €26 per hour, that's €2,184 lost. ClearSpot agents combine fault priority rankings, travel time estimates, access constraints, and SLA windows to propose an optimal weekly maintenance sequence. They don't just sort by location. They sort by financial urgency and operational logic together. Fault A with 25% power drop and a 48-hour SLA gets prioritized before Fault B with a 3% drop and 7-day SLA. The agent puts Fault A first even if it's 12 kilometers farther because money beats geography. The output is a ready-to-use day-by-day plan with route maps, fault lists, travel times, and parts needed. Day 1, 6 critical faults in Block A and B, total drive time 38 minutes and walk time 12 minutes per fault. Parts required include diode packs for 3 faults and connector kits for 2 with SLA compliance at 100%. Your technician opens the app in their truck and sees the map, route, thermal images, and the parts list and drives straight to the first fault. No searching, no backtracking. No where is Block D conversations. Manual route planning takes an O&M lead 3 hours every Monday, while ClearSpot agents do it in 90 seconds. But the real savings is in the field. The optimized route cuts drive time by 34%. That's 2.1 hours per technician per day back. On a 40-hour week, that's 10.5 hours. More than 2 full days per week per technician. When route planning is automated, your O&M leads stop being full-time schedulers. They validate the agent's plan in 10 minutes and spend the rest of their time managing people and quality, which is what you hired them to do. 5 hours, 50 minutes per day, saved per O&M lead. Across 8 leads on your fleet? That's 37 hours weekly, almost 1 full-time equivalent redirected from scheduling to leadership. Critical faults now get visited within SLA windows 98% of the time instead of 73%. That's 25% fewer SLA breaches. For contracts with performance penalties, that's tens of thousands recovered annually. One site in Spain had €18,000 annual SLA penalties. After route optimization, €2,400. That's €15,600 recovered just by visiting critical faults on day 1 instead of day 4. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device. Smarter decisions.